Hello, Team Air. My name is Oliver Hernandez, and welcome to our e-commerce how-to series. In this video, I'm going to walk us through how to place an order on our e-commerce platform. We're going to learn how to log in, how to select our customer, add in products to the cart, and how to check out. Let's get started. In step 1, we're going to log in and select our customer. First, we navigate to teamairdisk.com. Once we're greeted with the home screen, we're going to go to the top right corner and click on the sign in button. We then enter our credentials. Once you've done that, you click on the sign in button, and then we're greeted by the select customer screen. On this screen, you simply copy what we have on CSD. We can search either by customer name or by their account number. For this test, however, we're going to use our web test, which is 3540. You click on select here, and then if the company has more than one user, you are greeted with a second customer selection screen. For this example, we're going to choose Alex. Now on to step 2, which is searching for our product. Now there are two primary ways to locate items on our platform. We can either add the product number directly into the search bar up here, or we can make use of the many filters. We have brands, manufacturers, and more. But for this example, we're going to use this part number starting with 4A6. Once you type in your entire part number, press enter, and you'll be taken directly to the product screen. At this stage, we can confirm the availability, the quantity, and the correct branch. If availability shows 0, click on check branch availability. This lets it see where else this product may be available. Now, once you confirm all the information is correct, add the item to the cart. You can then click on View Cart. Once you review all of your details again, feel free to click Checkout. Once it loads, you'll be greeted with 3 options. You'll have shipping, delivery, or will call. But for this example, we're going to choose will call. Once you click on your option, you'll be prompted to choose a pickup date. We're going to use today. And then you can add pickup instructions if you'd like, along with a coupon code if available. Once you review those, you click on continue. Upon clicking continue, you'll see the next section in which you put in your purchase order. For this example, we're going to put web test. In an order by field, you put your name. This allows us to see who placed the order on behalf of this individual. It's very important for logging and for tracing purposes. We can then add additional instructions or an order note if we'd like. Once you review all of your details, you're safe to submit your order by placing place order. You are then greeted with the order confirmation screen. You're ready to go. Once you submit the order and land on this page, the branch and the customer automatically receive confirmation emails. But if one needs an additional PDF copy, here are the steps on how to find that. First, we head on over to the account name. You click on it, navigate over to open orders, and then you find your topmost order or your most recent order, and you click on the eye icon for view order. Here you see an additional copy of the submission we just did. But you simply click on print this page, ensure that the destination is saved as PDF, and then you can save it to your computer. And this completes the ordering process in e-commerce. In our next video, we'll show you how to find this exact order in CSD. Once again, I'm Oliver Hernandez, and thank you for tuning in to part 1 of the how-to series for the e-commerce platform. See you next time, Team Air.